Origin and development of Mughal school of art. In the medieval India, Mughal school of miniature painting was recognized as the art of aristocracy. इन द मेडिवल मीन्स मिडल एज में जो मुग़ल की पेंटिंग्स जो बनी थी वो अरिस्टोक्रेसी में दिखाई की तरह दिखाई गई. अरिस्टोक्रेसी मीन्स अमीरी. द मुग़ल आर्ट वॉज क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द सल्तनत आर्ट और द इस्लामिक आर्ट which was prevalent in Deccan Muslim Empire because theme style of art, human figures and artists of Islamic art came from the Islamic world of Persia or Iran and Turkey. The painting painted by them were Indian only in the context. Context means ideas that they were painted on Indiana ground. But the feeling of Indianship was not in them at all. The view of Mughal art was quite different from the Sultanate art. सुल्तान जो होते थे वो सुल्तनत उसके बारे में बताया गया है कि जो आर्ट होती थी उसके बारे में. The Islamic art, it was नॉट ओनली इंडियन बट ऑल्सो लुक्ड इंडियन. मुग़ल की जो पेंटिंग होती थी इनका जो थीम होता था सल्तनत एंड इस्लामिक स्टाइल में होता था. ज़्यादा इंडियन ही लगती थी ये पेंटिंग्स. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट देयर आर 3 फेसेस ऑफ मुग़ल आर्ट. 3 फेसेस भी जैसे ये और ये अकबर पीरियड जो हमारा ये पीरियड है ना जो जिन्होंने ये पेंटिंग्स बनवाई जिनके राज में जो पेंटिंग्स बनती थी वो थे जहांगीर पीरियड, अकबर पीरियड, शाहजहाँ, बहादुर शाह. ये सब इनके राज्य उनकी पेंटिंग्स थी इनकी. नंबर 1 पे हमारा आएगा आर्ट ड्यूरिंग अकबर पीरियड. ये जो आर्ट है इनके पीरियड में हुई थी उनके बारे में हमने डिस्क्राइब करना है. Akbar is acknowledged as the father of Mughal art because his 2 predecessors rulers Babur and Humayun remained busy in stabilizing the empire when 13-year-old Akbar became king. He not only established the Mughal empire with his intellectual skills, दिमागी स्किल मतलब अपनी तकनीक and expert leadership but also encourage architectural skill like art, painting. ये सब चीज़ें इनको काफ़ी पसंद थी. skills, art skills and books writing skills. For the picturization of the books he established the Khana house in his court. मीन्स एक आर्ट का जैसे एक रूम बनाया हुआ था, मीन्स कोर्ट बनाई हुई थी उन्होंने, एक प्रॉपर प्लेस बनाया हुआ था. He got a paper mills established in Sialkot to make compulsory and continuous supply of paper. It is because of good attitude of Akbar toward the Hindu and other religions that today we observe the inclusion of the best Indian as well as the best Islamic elements and themes of art. Akbar did not get formal education, so he known as illiterate king, but he got translated the best Indian literature into Persian and the best Persian literature into Hindustan. Akbar's regaim is reign means rules, you know. Akbar regaim was initiative period of Mughal. In that period the performance was given to systematic and serialized painting of the significant volume of the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, हरिवंश, पुराना, हमजननामा, शामजननामा, तुलीनामा, बाबरनामा एट्सेट्रा. ये जो सारे आर्टिस्ट थे इनकी पेंटिंग्स हैंडमेड पेंटिंग्स जो बनती थी इस पीरियड में थी वो. इट In that period, a few portraits were painted, but women's portraits were not allowed to paint except professional women and dancers. ये हमारा अकबर का पीरियड का था. अब सेकंड है आर्ट ड्यूरिंग जहांगीर पीरियड. Jahangir was a very sharp-sighted and sensitive against the charming beauty of both the humans and nature. Poetism and imagination was present in Jahangir's character. Impression in paintings of his period are more evident. The painting of birds and animals are counted among the best painting of the world. During Jahangir's time, reconciliations with the European world increased. Under Jahangir's patronage, मीन्स राज उनके जो थे वो पेंटिंग पैट्रोनेज मीन्स जो आर्टिस्ट को प्रोवाइड करते थे, फाइनेंशियली हेल्प करते थे. Acquired greater charm, refinement and dignity. He had great fascination for nature and took delight in the portrait of birds, animals and flowers. The portrait of Jahangir illustrated is a very typical example of miniature executed during period of Jahangir. Number 3, art during Shah Jahan period. After the death of Jahangir, Shah Jahan became the emperor of Mughal Empire in 1626. But he did not patronize paintings like his father. He was lover of architecture. He got so many fort places and mosques constructed. The Taj Mahal, Red Forts of Agra, etc. The art of painting went on its Jahangir style in Shah Jahan time also, but the standard was not that high as it was during Jahangir period. The art of painting was a downfall in the Shah Jahan because of the tradition and hackneyed styles. During the period of Bahadur Shah, there was a revival of Mughal painting after the neglect shown by Aurangzeb. The style showed an improvement in quality. After 1721 AD, the Mughal painting again started detonating under the later Mughals. Through retaining the outer form, it became lifeless and lost the inherent quality of the earlier Mughal art. Finally, the glorious periods of Mughal miniature art came to an end in the early 18th century. So we can say Mughal art originated with Mughal development with Mughals and ended Mughal rule in India. फेमस आर्टिस्ट जो हैं इसके ड्यूरिंग अकबर पीरियड है वो मीर शाहजद अली, ख्वाजा बेहज़त बग, मिस्किन, बासावन, मनहर, मंसूर, दशवंत. जो आर्टिस्ट फेमस हैं जहांगीर पीरियड के उस्ताद मंसूर, अब्दुल हसन, विचित्रा, बिशम दास, बालचंद, दौलत रिज़ा, विलियम. ये था हमारा राजस्थानी स्कूल का ओरिजिनल डेवलपमेंट. ओके, थैंक यू सर.